finish your lunch and stop to the sleep.
Oh, you're not even hungry. I have been starving for a billion years. I need food ASAP.
You guys, red food. Then ko I brought our school of snack. That feels like
Bro, I'm tired from playing basketball. All day I played.
Bro, you're not even close to dead, bro. I have been running for 1,000 miles and I'm still going strong.
What's up, bro? Stop investing your talent. I've been living for a million hours. Straight, my eyes are going to fall out from staring at the screen.
Can I tell you something? Did you know about the math quiz that we did? Oh yes, Can you say that my score right? Yeah, that's right. But do you want to know a secret? Sure, take what it is. I cheated on the exam. Here's the that I got out of the bag. Oh my God. So you cheated the exam. Either or nothing. Wait, were you eavesdropping in our conversation? There you cheated on the exam. That's why you were surprised. You know that was wrong. Of course, now it's not my job. You can get a bullet on your own.
to you a million times already. Stop. Hindi you not listen.